Criminal, you're under arrest, or should I say, under a pole. Frozone! No, I've got time!
Ready for your wedding!
What's going on here? Oh no! Wait a minute. I know what to do. Now I'm Lifesaver Man! Here I go! Hiya!
Oh, you broke my spine!
Be quiet. We're in Canada. Free healthcare for... Wait a second. Something's not right. You just come over here. Sit there.
Me down.
Something's not right. I can hear a noise. But what's the noise? Wait a minute. What's going on in here? Oh! Bon voyage! Oh, baguette!
And incredible!
Oh no, not you again!
Hey, you wanna know how I get around the city so fast? I make these rocket
You
boots!
need to go home right now. Oh, baguette!
Listen, Dad, you don't understand!
Of my hand.
I am your son! I'm Incrediboy! You think I'm dead, but I'm actually alive! You just can't accept the fact that I'm your son, and that I'm alive!
Buddy, this is an unstable addiction you have. You need to stop.
You don't understand! Look, I make rocket boots! Do you know how to make rocket boots, Dad? No, you're Mr. Incredible! And I'm
I don't need to fly. I can jump. Oh, baguette!
That's it! I'm telling Mom! You don't believe in me anymore!
Oh no, a bomb!
I'm going,
No,
Dad!
buddy, stop!
Here we go!
Stop him,
Give
me the bomb, kid!
Let go of my kid! I'm gonna go, Mom! Let go, Dad! Let go!
Oh, my head. Oh no. The bridge is collapsed. I know what I need to do. I've got to jump. Jump! Oh, that hurt my legs. Oh. You get in that car.
I didn't do
now.
anything wrong,
Send him
Dad!
back to his home and get
You're
the
making a
cocaine away from him.
mistake! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Okay, that blast, it was caused by a guy called Bomb
Okay,
Voyage.
what?
He blows stuff up with baguettes and croissants. You need to watch out for him. He's very dangerous. And he's... Okay, do you know who... Why don't interrupt me. Okay?
Incredible!
Shut up, buddy! I'm not affiliated
Where
with
is
you.
Bon
Oh, I'm
Voyage,
running
sir?
late. I've got to go. I'll catch you all later. But what about Bon Voyage? Why don't you shut up, cop? Let me do my job! Dick!
What a dick.